lights go out, the room turns gray. Something's here, but won't show a face. Floorboards creak without a step. Hold your breath, stay down low. If it hears you, it will know. It's like it's watching where you went. Don't make a sound, even if you move. It's in the dark after you. Close your eyes, count to 4. It's a shadow at your door, at your door.